It happens to all of us that we are added to unwanted WhatsApp groups that we don't want to be a part of, and that is sometimes pretty annoying. We've all been there. So the good thing is that within WhatsApp, you can now change this setting. And in this video, we'll learn how you can change the setting of your WhatsApp to prevent others from adding you to unwanted or unknown WhatsApp groups. In order to do that, first of all, open up WhatsApp and go to settings. So currently I am in my WhatsApp settings, and you should look for privacy. Tap on privacy and then tap on groups. So you guys can see this is the fourth option on my screen here. I'll tap groups, and currently I've set it to my contacts. But there are some other details that you need to be aware of. You can either decide everyone, that I would not suggest or recommend you to do that. You can either keep it my contacts, or you can choose contacts. So you can keep it my contacts, except a few people that keep adding you to WhatsApp groups and you don't want them to be able to add you. You can go with that option. Please remember that admins who cannot add you to a group will have the option to invite you privately instead. So it would be up to you if you want to accept it. And this setting does not apply to community announcement groups. So if you're added to a community, you'll always be added to that community announcement group. So these are just a couple of things that are important and that I wanted to mention. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel before you leave. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.